channel, Walking Off the Crazy. Going to be reviewing this Klymit Static V sleeping pad, and it's for 4-season use, or so it says. I have not used it yet, but I'm looking forward to using it this May long weekend, when the snow is gone, or almost gone, or should be gone in Manitoba. And so it's fairly compact, lightweight, and just to kind of give you an idea, it's approximately about 8 high by about 4 wide. So it's fairly compact, will fit in your pack, and something that you can use on those long distance hikes. So we're going to weigh it now. Okay, so we're going to weigh that. Let's see, I'll turn it on, and we'll weigh it in pounds and ounces at this point. So it says 1 pound, 4.9 ounces, or 0.5, 1.5 pounds. And that is in grams. That's 592 grams. So. Okay, so to unpack the Static V Lite, we'll just take it out of the bag, and actually you do have a little pocket inside the bag with some patching, some patches in case you should get a leak in your bag. And well, there you go. It's fairly large. You know, I guess we'll see how that fits me. Being 6'3", 250 pounds. But you can see the V-shaped baffles, and those are supposed to give you support in all the critical areas in terms of pressure points. And then you have the side baffle areas as well, and those supposedly keep you centered on the pad. So that should be something to see if that actually does happen. And it has the two-way valve, and so that's kind of nice. It swivels. At night you can kind of press that, and it should be able to kind of regulate the loft of the sleeping pad. So we're going to blow that up. Now the R value of this is 4.4. So we're going to blow that up, and they say it takes anywhere from 10 to 15 breaths to be able to inflate that. So we're going to give that a try. And you can just do that right now. So that was about 15 breaths. So I'm kind of impressed with my my performance. And so there you can see it there, and it's got the V-shaped chambers, and it's also got that the side guards as well. It's supposed to keep you centered. Now in terms of width and length, so we can do that. So let's just see. The width here is 22. By approximately 72. Okay, so not bad. And so I'm just gonna test this now. Okay, so this is the pad all blown up, and we'll just see how it is in terms of how it's going to fit a fairly tall individual. Again, I'm 6'3", 250 pounds. and actually fit pretty good. Kind of my toes are sticking off the end, but I don't think that's a problem. And I'm a side sleeper, and I am not bottoming out at all right now, so that's kind of nice. And for those people that are sleeping on their back, it's really comfortable too as well. So with a nice camp pillow, I think it'll actually be quite comfy. So there you have it, the static Lite insulated pad by Klymit, and I thought it worked out fairly well. The V-shaped chambers do provide that support as well. The side rails, excellent in being supposedly keeping you in centered within the pad itself. The double valve was nice, so that when you're blowing it up, you're not having to pinch anything, and you know that air that you're blowing in is not coming back at you. So I very much thought it was a pretty good purchase. We'll see how it does on the trail, and we'll get back to you on that. So thank you for coming and viewing this on my channel. Thank you.